Alfred Wegener proposed the theory of continental drift, the idea that Earth's continents move. Despite publishing a large body of compelling fossil and rock evidence for his theory between 1912 and 1929, it was rejected by most other scientists. It was only in the 1960s that continental drift finally became part of mainstream science. In the early 1950s, a scientist named Alfred Wegener noticed that the coastlines of several continents look like they fit together, similar to puzzle pieces. He believed that around 200 million years ago all the continents were joined together in one large supercontinent called Pangaea, which is Greek for all the Earth. Over the course of millions of years, Pangaea broke apart into the continents we know today, a process he called continental drift. The histories explained quite a bit about the origin of the Earth. Scientists at the time weren't exactly impressed and initially dismissed his ideas. Fast forward to today, and Wegener's concept are the basis of the modern-day plate tectonic theory. So what exactly is the plate tectonics? Well, it states that the Earth's outer mechanical layer, lithosphere, is divided into large continent-sized plates that are constantly moving. How fast are they moving? Pretty slowly, actually around 1 to 2 inches per year. Which is why it was so hard for scientists 100 years ago to wrap their heads around the idea. So what changed their minds? Well, a few natural discoveries in the 10th century made Wegener's theories seem more possible. For example, in 1950s and 60s, scientists discovered heated magma rising up through cracks in the oceanic crust called dikes, which is how new rock or new land is created. This realization that our planet is always reforming and reshaping itself from beneath incredibility to Wegener's theories. Wegener, how long after scientists started plotting the location of earthquakes and volcanoes around the world, and observed that the location of these events followed a similar pattern to the outline of the plates Wegener proposed. And then there was the fossil evidence. Fossil of tropical animals and plant species have been found in Africa and other places on Earth that are less than tropical. One possible explanation was that Africa was one part of a larger continent that was home to these tropical plant and animals. Remember Pangaea. So in light of all this evidence, the scientific community started thinking, maybe this Wegener fellow was actually onto something, which led to the development of our modern-day plate tectonics theory.